Yes, good afternoon, Monique. This is Eric over at Toyota of Melbourne. Wanted to highlight this here Elantra for you. Excuse me. Very, very clean car. In great shape. Gorgeous color red. This is a limited, so it's nicely equipped. Does have the sunroof. Original asking price was $99.99. Again, very nice shape. I actually took this car in. It was an older gentleman that turned it in. Does have all the original floor mats. Full backup camera. Bluetooth technology. Again, very, very nice shape. It does have the keyless entry. Back seat is also in nice shape. Has the leather seats. Again, very, very nice clean car. Windows have been tinted already as well, and it has nice alloy wheels with good tires. So again, very nice clean car. Give me a call, 321-254-8888, extension 274. We have our Black Friday event going on right now, where if even just by coming in and taking a look at the car, you'll be entered in a raffle for a 55-inch HD TV, as well as the possibility of winning a couple of gift cards that could be worth up to $100 a piece. Thank you, Monique. I look forward to speaking with you. 321-254-8888, extension 274.